Now I will tell you about our chatbot G5. So, it all starts with pressing the start button. As soon as we press the start button, the bot will send us a welcome message about what it is and how to use it. Also, don't forget to join our group. So, what are the main functions this bot contains? Click here and we will get out here is such a menu. The first item is a subscription payment. The second item is an animate. Thanks to this feature, you can voice and animate any video, for example, your boyfriend or girlfriend. With the settings command, you can change the character of the bot, change it to a more sarcastic bot, or you can change it to the original G5 chat. Russian is a language change from Russian to English and from English to Russian. Referral link. This link will give you the opportunity to invite your friends and get a bonus from this in the form of a free monthly subscription. STEM Diffusion and DALL-E are generative neural networks that will allow you to create images based on your queries. Let's take a look at the main point. This is the G5 chat. For example, I want to create a Python code that will show me a ladder. Let's see how he does it. The bot will tell us what he will think and answer now. Great. To be honest, I'm too lazy to run Python now, so I just did this. What will the G5 chat answer to this? So he decided to think about it. Voila. Next. I was wondering where I could go in Moscow. Well, we'll see what we can do. As you can see, the bot responds pretty quickly. He thinks for a long time. It's probably a complex query for him, well, most likely a lot of characters, therefore. Yes, as I said, there will be a lot of characters. Let's start from the metro station. We will continue at Belaruskaya station. Interesting. But that's not the coolest thing. Most of all, I like the mode change in this bot. For example, I will enter the settings command and select more. Let him be so much more sarcastic. Let's see what he thinks about cars. The more is very fond of answering in this way, in his own manner. Mock us a little. But that's the whole point. Yes, as usual he was joking. Let's now look at generative neural networks. At the moment there are two of them in the bot, with Demand and Fusion and DALL-E. Let's try using DALL-E to create some kind of picture, for example. Let's take an example. An astronaut rides a horse. Excellent result. Now let's try the Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion actually draws pictures, but much better than DALL-E, due to its more trained model. Let's try something more complicated now. Let's add these tags for the neural network so that it draws us a realistic picture. Here is such an interesting result we got. What if we do this and ask them to draw us? What does she think about the G5 chat users? Well, an interesting result. Let's see what our team is doing. Well, as I said, it's just switching from Russian to English. Let's make the rest of the video in Russian. In addition, you can give voice commands to the bot. What do you think about the Manchester United team? We can look at the transcript. That's right. Now the bot is thinking, sending us a transcription. Now we are waiting for an answer from the wisdom itself. Well, yes, the Moor was joking. A very good result. It's probably worth mentioning the referral link as well. As I said, you can send this link to your friend, and if he registers using it, you will receive, let's say, a bonus in the form of a free subscription, but invite as many friends as possible, since we give bonuses only for a large number of participants. And the other day we had a newsletter saying that if you come 10 or more people, we will automatically give you a subscription for a month. So, dear friends, come on, invite your friends. I'll probably finish this already. Although I will note one more thing. We can continue the text directly from the bot. That is, we can click continue text and here we will just be sent a continuation of the text. But even if you ask a query like I had, that is, ask me to draw the code like this. The bot takes into account the context in the messages. That is, I received a message, asked to output the result, and I will immediately receive a response. That is, the context is completely retained and the bot will not forget that you wrote to it. Meanwhile, the bot sent us a sequel. That is, the original G5 chat is already entering into communication here and, let's say, he is arguing with himself. That is, he says sorry, Mauer, but I don't agree with you about Manchester United. That's such an interesting story. Thank you all for watching. Use our bot.